Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to select multiple photos in Google Photos using your computer. Whether you want to delete, move, or download several photos at once, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it easily. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to photos.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Once your photo library opens, hover your mouse over the first photo you want to select. You'll see a little check mark appear at the top left corner of that picture. Click it to select that first photo. Now, to select multiple photos one by one, simply click on each additional photo you want. Each time you click, a blue check mark will appear, meaning it's selected. You can keep clicking as many as you want. This works great if you only want to choose a few specific pictures. But if you want to select a large group of photos quickly, here's a faster trick. Click the first photo you want, then scroll down to where you want your selection to end. Now, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click the last photo. Instantly, all the photos in between will be selected at once. This is the easiest way to grab hundreds of photos in one move. Once your photos are selected, you can perform actions like downloading, adding to an album, or deleting them using the icons at the top right of the page. And that's it. You've just learned how to select multiple photos in Google Photos on your computer. It's super handy for organizing your library or cleaning up storage fast. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tech tutorial. See you in the next video.